this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Crypto.com. So from a Crypto.com app, we're going to click on Deposit, and then here we're going to click on Crypto. Right now, select crypto that you want to transfer. So go ahead and look for any crypto you want, and you can also click the search icon at the top right. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how this works with Ethereum. Go to type in Ethereum and then click on Ethereum at the top. That is ETH. I'm going to select the network. And please be sure that you select the same network on your Crypto.com as on your Coinbase, because otherwise your crypto can get lost. So this is a really important step, and I'm just going to go for Ethereum. And now at the top, I will have my unique wallet address, so I can go ahead and click on the copy to clipboard icon. Then I can go back to my Coinbase app to insert this wallet address. So copy this to your clipboard and then go over to your Coinbase app. So from your Coinbase app, click on transfer at the bottom right, click on send crypto. Paste in the wallet address from Crypto.com, click on the wallet section just down below, click on the crypto that you want to send, and in this tutorial I'm going for Ethereum. Select the same network as you have selected on Crypto.com, and again it's really important that you match the two of these because otherwise your crypto can get lost. So because I'm transferring Ethereum, I'm going for the Ethereum default one, and I have also just selected that on Crypto.com. Enter the amount that you want to transfer, and I'm just going for every Ethereum that I have, so I'm going to click on max, and then I'm going to click on preview. Because I'm in the EU, I need to fill in where I'm sending my crypto. If you're not in the EU, you can just continue and send it right now. But if you are, then follow these steps. So click on exchange, search for Crypto.com and click on Crypto.com. Click the box sending to myself if you are doing that, or enter the recipient's full name and recipient's country of residence, and after click on continue. If everything is all right, click on send now at the bottom. And as you can see, we have sent our crypto from Coinbase over to Crypto.com. So let's go ahead and click on done. And as you can see in our transactions tab, our crypto transfer is pending. So now we can go ahead and open our Crypto.com app to see if the transfer is finalized. So in my Crypto.com app, I see that my balance has topped up. So my transfer is finalized. And that is how you transfer crypto from Coinbase to Crypto.com. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.